So hey, Greg Hawks. And so what I'm showing right now is I'm in Hopin right now, and I've done this for a couple conferences, not just SwartzCon. But you can actually scrape the attendee list by being part of the conference, going to people. You can scroll down and you'll see lots of different names, things like that. You have to keep scrolling down and loading individuals. This is live, by the way. I'm doing this. I've got the live feed paused. But you can go in here. It takes a while. So I am just going to scrape this, see how many people we have here. I'll go do this later, but right now I've got 253 rows of people. I've got their name, I've got their job title. That's enough to go on right now. I can actually click in here. Let me see if I can find somebody I can pick on. I'll pick on somebody. Let me just look for myself real quick. So I can download this list. If I see somebody that I want to pull information from, I also have a profile scraper built. Let me see if I can pull up two data miners here. So I got this list. Okay, I have several recipes made, and my recipe is, what did I name it? It was probably Hoppin'. So I'm getting ready to do this for another conference in a couple of months, but it's more of an engineering conference. But I just like to test things. So as you can see, when I do this, I pull my name, my headline, my website, actually all of my websites, and my bio. So that's all information that I've built in. So I haven't really figured out how to connect these two scrapers together, but I'm in the process of doing that. But fortunately, like the main thing is getting the list of names so that you can use this as a workable list, so that I can take the data, I can reach out to people. So say I'm in an engineering conference or like CPAs or anything, I can use this list of names, reach out to people, shortlist them, cross-reference. You know, it's a workable data set. The other thing is, if you notice, it says at ServiceNow or at Allstate. You can actually pull that into an Excel spreadsheet and use Excel to kind of parse those different columns into a little bit better data. So it's more data integrity tricks and things like that. But yeah, the data is there and it works. So yeah, I just wanted to kind of show you like a live version of what I do. Let me go back here. It's probably reset my whole list. So let me see if I can sort this. My connection is organized. No, I want the attendees. So yeah, quick live stuff that I'm doing. I'll have more tools and tricks later on. If somebody is speaking about a set of tools like Dean DaCosta, I will definitely live stream. So just be watching my channel for that. Thanks.